Welcome to FB School of Economics. Society's economy is based on creating wealth through selling and buying. The people who do the selling and buying are producers and consumers. First of all, we will see the economic definition of both terms. People who grow and create things or goods and provide services are producers. People who buy or use goods and services are called consumers. Let's do an activity. This person is a producer. This person is a consumer. This person is a producer. This person is a consumer. This person is a producer. That's all for today. Hope you understand the concept. See you in next lecture. Till then, bye.